15 foods that have no calories almost. And have many nutrients. Do you want to lose weight, and remain in good shape? Well, weight loss can be quite challenging, and you need to keep track of it every day. In addition, you should plan your meals and snacks, eat foods that have no calories still have many nutrients. Minerals, antioxidants, vitamins are crucial for your health. Therefore, you should consume food abundant in these parts. Here are 15 foods that have no calories. Onions. They are low in fat and can be found in almost every recipe. They have proper medical properties, and in 100 grams there are only 40 calories. Celery. When you chew celery you burn more calories than you consume. There is only 16 cal in 100 grams. Mushrooms. All mushrooms contain few calories, for example, chanterelles have 38 calories, and portobellas only 22 in 100 gr. Zucchini. They have many nutritional supplements like vitamin A, potassium, and folic acid. It contains only 17 calories in 100 grams. Cauliflower. Cauliflower helps digestion, treats inflammation, and supports heart health. There are only 25 calories in 100 grams. Carrots. Carrots are extremely beneficial food, they improve eyesight and regulate blood sugar. 100 grams contain 41 calories. Oranges. They are rich in vitamin C, and you can make delicious juice out of them. With 41 calories for 100 grams. Brussels sprouts. Type of cabbage that is rich in vitamins C, K, B, minerals, fiber, with just 43 calories in 100 grams. Watermelon. Watermelons have powerful antioxidants, also they boost your metabolism, and there are just 43 calories in 100 grams. Cabbage. Did you know that cabbage can practically make miracles? It improves brain health, helps with weight loss, and fights cancer. And there are only 25 calories per 100 grams. Cucumber. Cucumbers are 96% water but are full of numerous vitamins. Therefore, they are great for salads with only 16 calories for 100 grams. Apples. They contain 52 calories in 100 grams, but are loaded with vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. Asparagus. It is low in calories and sodium. Asparagus is 93% water, but contains potassium, calcium, folic acid, selenium, copper, iron, B6, K, C, E, and asparagine amino acid. Kale. It has only 49 calories in 100 grams. Kale is a rich source of protein, minerals, fibers. If you freeze it, the taste will be more sweeter. You can use it as a salad, or make kale chips. Broccoli. It has just 34 calories per 100 grams, and is loaded with fiber and proteins.